can't get to you right now, leave your name and number and we will get back to you.
So there are places in Newcastle that I'm calling now. It's about, what, almost 10 o'clock. I've been calling places since 8:30, you know, when I'm not getting anywhere. Hey everyone, so welcome to the second last... Hi, how you doing? Do you guys have any mechanics that can fit a tire today? What about Monday? Alright, not a problem. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Most of the places don't answer their phone calls around here. If they answer the phone calls, they don't have mechanics on Saturday working. So my option is to wait until Monday or keep calling and try and find someone around here. Hey Steve, I'm just checking if you guys have any tires available. Sorry? I'm just checking if you guys have any spots available for Monday for fitting a tire on a motorcycle. Can I just walk in on Monday and you guys can help me out? Or?
Well, let's make a booking now because we fairly heavily booked, so you're probably going to have to drop the bike and leave it with us for a little while.
Oh, okay. The problem is I'm actually in Port Macquarie right now. So I don't know if I will be able to even make it to Albury with the tyres that I have right now. Right, so...
Okay.
So,
yeah, well, you'll just have to chance it then.
Okay,
but
yeah.
If it was me and you're 10 hours away like that, I'd be getting the tyre before I got to Albury and you're that concerned about it.
Alright, let's see, next up. Hi there, I'm just checking if you guys have any mechanics available today for fitting a tire. 150/70 on a rear tire, so tubeless, maybe a Scorpion Trail 2 if it's available. Or if it's not the Trail 2, if you have the Rally STR in Scorpion, I'll take that as well. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, cool. Oh, sweet, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm in a little bit out of Port Macquarie. I'm in this place called Kew. Yeah, I can make my way there now. And if you can fit today, I'll take the maybe STR. Yeah, I'll try that one this time. Okay, 310. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, I'll start making my way there now. Okay, it's only 170 kilometers from here. So cool. So still dangerous to do this, but I have no other option. So yesterday I spoke about 3 different options with my ride for today, right? I'll play that video here and this is what it quickly explains. Look at that roundabout, right? So there's Thunderbolt's Way, which we're going to do tomorrow. So I'm going to go towards Gloucester tomorrow, and then I'm going to come up to Thunderbolt's Way, and then I'm going to turn left, go to Oxley Highway, go towards Tamworth, and then I'm going to go down from Tamworth towards Windsor using the Putty Road. So such a good roundabout, look at that. You know, such a perfect roundabout. None of the 3 options are happening because last night when I was washing my clothes, I found out my rear tire had started showing its age. So it's about 15,000 kilometers now on that tire, and the center of the tire has started coming off. This tire needs to be replaced and it's dangerous if I leave it like that. Alright, so this is Kendall Showgrounds, right? And it's one of the camping spots that I was not expecting it to be this good. The toilets are actually very clean here. The toilets, bathrooms are very well maintained. The kitchen is also very nicely cleaned up. And it's only $10 for the whole night. Pilot side as well. Tires do actually feel terrible on the wet. Yeah, I do feel like I'm gonna slip sometime there. Maybe it's just in my head. Maybe it's just psychological, but it is scary.
Rookie.
Huh?
Rookie.
I know.
Fucking stalling it. It's those levers you got on there, man.
Huh?
Go back to the genuine levers.
Why?
Because they're better. Oh, those heated grips are hot.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I came to the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all good.
How you been?
We're good. We're good. Busy.
man.
Busy but good. No, man, this looks good colour. If you got to put any gear
No.
inside, just put it on the bench.
Yeah, I'm recording, so.
I'll put this inside, so. Oh wow, it's really done, isn't it?
So what happens is, so this is the second set of tires after the first
Well, how many Ks you got in the bike?
32,000.
Okay. This is your second tyre.
Yeah.
Tyre.
No, second, because the first was that was from original Triumph one,
Yep.
which did about 15,000 kilometers.
Which is good. Are you doing much dirt riding, or is it mainly a lot of freeway stuff?
Mostly freeway, but
Yeah.
but occasionally I would jump into off-roading, and the idea is I want to actually do more off-road with this.
There's that one there. That's the TK70 Rocks. So it's got more of a. I don't have a standard one, but the standard one normally looks like that. But they're
Yeah.
made of rock, so it's a little bit more aggressive for off-roading.
Okay.
I do have the. Damn it! I do have one of those. I do have the traction out of GPS. Have you seen one of those?
No, I know nothing about tires, man.
That's okay. That one there is probably the most asked for tyre before Continental couldn't get them anymore. So I've just got them back in stock. They've been in stock for a long time. This one's the Pirelli that you were talking about.
The one I was talking about, yeah.
Yeah. There's the Scorpion Trail 2. These ones here last a long time.
Yeah.
Like the GPS traction aids, they last a long time. A lot of people, they're sought after tyres as well. I've got the Aniki 3, which is probably the longest lasting tyre.
Yeah.
I've got the...
That's for the road, right? NEQ3?
Yeah, I've got the Aniki Adventure, which is like the 80-20 tyre. So do you want to sit down and have a read about those, see what people say?
Not really.
Not really? That's easy. Yeah, so you're onto these two now. I have been fitting a lot of these to everything, from Africa Twins to 1250 BMWs, everything.
How much was it?
$294.45.
Oh, thank you.
You should go inland towards Bathurst, go and then go around Mount Panorama slowly, don't. All right, boss. Have a good trip.
Thank you. Will do. Thank you very much.
Please be safe.
Yeah,
It's lovely
nice
to meet
talking to you.
And yeah, just be careful of the soccer mums around here this time of day, picking their kids up from soccer and stuff.
Yeah. I'll see you again if I'm in this area.
Yeah, okay.
We'll see you.
I'm just out of Newcastle, and that way is Sydney. So when I was leaving Newcastle, the guys at the Newcastle Tyre service, they recommended to go down the old Pacific Highway, which was really nice road as well. I'm gonna try and avoid Sydney and go towards Bathurst tonight. So another say 3.5 hours to go. Let's keep on going, see where we end up for the night.
Finally I made it to my hotel. I was gonna go and stay in a camping spot, but I decided to just do a hotel. Tomorrow morning I want to be out and about quick, and they were only $91, and the lady here said to me, yeah, she was just about to close for the night, so she's like, I'll just try my luck by giving you one for $90. So yeah, that worked out. That works out very well. Well, this place is called Havana Motorin. The lady asked me to park in a safe spot as well, so she showed me a spot where I can park, and you know, I don't have to worry about the motorcycle. I actually went through Blue Mountains, right? Now Blue Mountains has to be in its own series. Like, Blue Mountains is so good, I can go and do my own series for that. There is actually a YouTuber called Winchwing. I'll put his channel in the description, and I'll put the video about the Blue Mountain that they did. So go and watch that video. That's really good about Blue Mountains. I've done Blue Mountains 3 times. Well, today I was just riding through it, but this will be the 3rd time I was in Blue Mountains. The first time I was there, it was all foggy. Today as well, it was all foggy, right? It's just the weather that we come in. But I didn't think that to get to Bathurst, I would have to go through Blue Mountain, right? I thought I was gonna skip it, but no, actually I do go through Blue Mountain. Only one more day. So yes, this series is coming to an end. Only got one more day to go tomorrow, and the house is 10 hours from here. I can make that 10 hours tomorrow morning. If you know what Bathurst is famous for, we're going to do that tomorrow. This ride so far, it has cost me about $10,000, about $11,000 maybe. But yeah, it's cost me about $10,000 to $11,000, including the tire that we got in today. It was my budget was only about $9,000, and I ended up spending a bit more because I ended up buying these wines. I found it. I bought like an expensive whiskey, expensive rum, and sometimes I just went into hotels, got lazy, didn't do proper camping, you know. Like today, it could have cost me about $35, but instead of that, I'm paying $90. But that's okay. That's okay. I went up a little bit over my budget. That's fine. So it is actually a month since I was on the Spirit of Tasmania, going to Tasmania. Alright, I'll quickly tell you guys my best, my worst, and my difficult moments, right? Or ugly, you know? The best ones. The day I did from Stanley all the way down to Heller's Gorge, and then down to Deloraine, and then from Deloraine, this was like a few days later. I did from Deloraine, there's a Highlands Lake Road, that all the way to Derwent Bridge, that, and then I came back to Devonport. That would be my favorite out of all of these rides. If I have to do one ride out of all these, that would be the one ride I would do again anytime soon. The second best would be the ride from Cairns to Port Douglas. Even though it was scarier, it's probably one of the most scarier rides that I've ever done. The Charter Towers one was scary as well. The day to Charter Towers, that was in the night. At the end, it got scarier. And of course, the Oxley Highway, the third one, that was really good as well. That Oxley Highway just brought the smile on my face. I wish it was a little bit longer, the section that was good on Oxley Highway, I wish that was like a little bit longer section, and I can like have more of that, you know. Definitely I want to come back there one day, and I definitely want to spend more time on that as well. Ugly ones, the worst would be the Brisbane. Getting out of Brisbane, man. That night I saw Sean, and after that, I should have gotten out of Brisbane. I should have booked it somewhere out of Brisbane and not towards the north of Brisbane, you know. Even the Mount Glorious ride was really good. Like once I got out of Brisbane, I think I'm getting bitten by a mosquito. Alright, so anyway, let me walk around. The ride to Mount Glorious was also good, you know, but before that ride, that whole Brisbane thing, that is terrible. I don't like it. Like that 2 hours that I spent in Brisbane was the worst out of all. There are a lot of cameras there, like fucking every single street had a camera on it, you know. There's like all the police there. There's so many police. There's a lot of mobile speed cameras as well, right? So there's like a policeman's just standing on the side of the road waiting for you to speed, you know. Like there's so many cameras in Brisbane. It'll make CCP proud, you know. So yeah, that's why I didn't like Brisbane that much. I really wish the rain was not that bad, but it's my stupidity that I came in the rain weather. My wife did tell me that, hey, don't go. She actually did tell me not to go towards Port Douglas, but she was like, oh, just go to WA instead. You know, don't go to Port Douglas because it's all rain, and in the news there were floods and everything. So yeah, I wish the rain was, I wouldn't put it that as bad stuff. I would just put that as ugly, you know. But it's all part of the adventure, really. Thanks very much for supporting the whole series. Thanks a lot for watching all the videos, whoever watched it. If you liked what you like the channel. Season 3, I don't know what I'm going to do yet in Season 3. But this is Season 2 that's finished. Only one more episode tomorrow where I go home, finally.
Hey, my tire's fucked. I have to go to Newcastle to replace my tire. I was going to go to Launceston to go up the Thunderbolts way, but I can't because of the tire. Yeah, for some reason I'm in Blue Mountains. I don't know why.